We'll call this take two for Mayor Mike Duggan. Basically, after legislators decided not to take up his bill, not to pass it, to change the rates of car insurance rates by getting rid of no-fault insurance, he went to the courts. And this time, well, it matters to all of us because it doesn't only affect how much we pay, but also what we're covered for.
I no longer have any faith in Lansing to do the right thing. The rates must be fair and equitable, and excessive rates are unconstitutional because they deny people their right to independence and the access to drive.
That was Mayor Duggan in August when he first filed this lawsuit. His goal? To lower auto insurance rates. Today, a judge considers arguments filed in 2018, and while plenty of drivers want to see cheaper insurance, others are fighting the lawsuit.
I don't know why insurance companies charge what they do for no fault. No fault is just one part of the coverage.
This lawyer reps clients who rely on payouts from no fault benefits this lawsuit threatens to scrap.
They're afraid that nobody is considering their interests in this lawsuit.
That said, other questions remain. Earlier this year, 7 Action News broke down how insurance companies can legally discriminate against women and widows. So while few argue with the need to overhaul insurance, many just aren't sure whose way is the right way.
When you're paying $3,000 or $4,000 in Michigan and they're paying $1,000 a car in Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois, we got to change.
So Matthew, the judge obviously could make a number of different rulings here, but if Mayor Duggan eventually wins, what happens?
Well, so there's kind of like a two-pronged system here. The state would get 6 months to try to fix the insurance system as it is right now, and if they can lower rates, that stays. If they can't, the idea would be, according to the lawsuit, to revert us back to a tort system, which is basically similar to the surrounding states, our neighboring areas like Ohio and Indiana that have lower auto insurance rates than we do right now.
Certainly high insurance rates, one of the biggest issues Detroiters face. Thank you for that live update, Matthew.